Yo, good morning, guys. This is what my uniform yesterday. I don't have much laundry still. I'm preparing. It's just now, yeah, 9:35 something, and I'm preparing my lunch, breakfast, my meal. I keep on saying lunch, breakfast. Just instant noodles. This one is made in Malaysia. And if you've seen before, I have this sardines. Actually, this is tuna that doesn't have any expiration. And I googled that mostly products like this doesn't have expiration printed because it lasts for really long years. 3 years, something like that. Because of that, I think this one is safe because Rafael brought this here. So yeah, I'm going to put it in here. And yeah, this is going to be first time. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. Not good. And I have this. This is salted egg. Still not good, but it's okay. Doctor. Good morning. Outside the side, to my soul, sympathize, and I never criticize. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. Let you down. I don't wanna be too on. I wanna hold where you might belong. Thank you. Me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. Thank you, why just let me the same. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna be too one. I don't wanna hold you back from where you might belong. You will never ask me why. Good morning. Morning. Can't live a lie anymore. Look at that. And there are still some water here. This place become like a swamp. Yeah, you're just going to sit down there. We'll be watching the people doing the kayak. I also have my coffee in my backpack. It's here because I don't have my basket anymore. I don't know when I'm going to attach that again. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow because I'm tomorrow day off. the alarm of my bike because this is not working anymore. Maybe the problem is the battery in here, because the battery on the trigger already I changed that, but not working. So maybe the battery in here is the problem. Oh, it's working. Yeah, the problem is the battery here. So yeah, we can use it now again. Yeah, we're just going to eat in this Asian Chinese restaurant. Yeah, the weather has been like this since morning. Actually, this looks like going to rain, but it's not showing in the weather. It doesn't show how many percent is the rain to be. Oh, really nice. So I saw there are two like old guy. They are standing there, and then there is a couple like a tourist, and then yeah, they're doing a selfie. And then later on, the two old guy come approach the tourist, and they offered to take them a photo. Amazing. Yeah, nice. Oh, look at this. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, the scratch that I am telling you about the camera is actually just this one. You know, the plastic that I put here like a protector. Yeah, and so it means that my camera is still glued. The lens. Yeah, thanks that I put this. If I don't put this, maybe this one is already scratched. Yeah, nice. Because you know, with this, it shows the reflection of the lights and other things when I'm filming. So from now on, again, video quality will be back to normal. Yeah, I just finished this, and I have my coffee here with me. Because you know, most of the restaurant, like this restaurant where I am, they don't do coffee. Even the Thai restaurant in there, they don't serve coffee. Oh no! Yeah, this is actually the glass of the GoPro. Because I realized that the plastic that I put here was very soft and bendable, but this one you cannot bend it because it's really a plastic. Oh, broken now. We're just going to bike around, sound tripping, listening to music, singing along. Yeah, I don't know where we're going, somewhere around here. And then later on we're going to the grocery. So basically those people, they are doing the scuba diving in this area. You can see, but yeah, there are many people there. They are doing the scuba diving and the snorkeling. Tempted to go up there. I did that before one time, and I want to do it again, but you know, yeah, this time is not the best time to do that because I am wearing just a shirt, and it's better if I'm wearing a jogging pants like a protection, if in case there are some, you know, snakes or any other dangerous insects. Yeah, maybe one of in the coming days I'll do that. Oh, there are people at the moment. They maybe went for swimming somewhere there. Yeah, that actually is the, I forgot the name of the beach.
Yeah, I forgot. But if you go straight there, you're going to reach the Rick Beach, Box Beach, Pingal Bay, Cycleway. Yeah, but there's also the proper way on that side. This is just like a walking trail, back way, a bike way. Yeah, okay, we go. This is the best time to walk along the tracks here because it's not really hot. Also, during this time, I mean because it's not very hot this time, so snakes are hiding somewhere. That is the exit if I continue on using the truck. Yo, we are now here in the Box Beach, and yeah, there's some family on that side. Yeah, these guys, they are going to play a drone, and there are lovers in there, and a lot of surfer on that side. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I just bought those two. Yeah, you know. And this is the Port Stephen couches. This is the last stop of this bus if you're coming from Newcastle and you see Pingal Bay. Yeah, this is the final stop. Just look at that guy. He's having difficulties to get up here. Yeah, residential area. You can see. We are now here in the Bari Park. We are just going to have a look in there. There is a viewing area there for the whale. Yeah, that's how it is here. Wow, look at that. Dangerous. Good thing is that there's no water, so you can just have an injury but not going to be drowned. Everything makes me weaker. You can save me from the one that I become. A lot of people there jumping on the I don't know what time it is, but no more sun, and this is how it is at the moment. There is new restaurant in Ramada Hotel, pizza. Maybe pizza is the name of the yeah, nice. Okay, we go. We are back here in this place, and caravans today are fully occupied. Look at this. There's so many caravans. We are now back here in Nelson Bay.